Hello, in this question we are told to simplify the expression 12x squared plus ax minus 6a squared all over 9x squared minus 4a squared. Let's start with the numerator. So on this side, we have the numerator, and the numerator we are given as 12x squared plus ax minus 6a squared. This is a quadratic expression. So to simplify it, we need to rewrite this center term, so ax. And we are going to rewrite it so that it is composed of two factors. So the properties of the two factors, one of them will be, when the two factors are multiplied, they should give us 12x squared times negative 6a squared, which is negative 72x squared a squared. So when the two factors are multiplied, they should give us negative 72x squared a squared. And when those two factors are added together, they should give us this middle term, which is ax. So in this case, those two factors are going to be 9xa and 8xa, and the negative sign is on the 8, so that when you multiply these two, you get negative 72x squared a squared, and when you add them, you get ax. So the middle term now becomes 9xa minus 8xa, and then of course on the right we have minus 6a squared, and on the left we have 12x squared. So we are going to take these terms in pairs. The first pair is going to be this, and the second pair is going to be this. So for the first pair, the common factor is going to be 3x. So that 12x squared divided by 3x, that is going to give us 4x. 9xa divided by 3x, that is going to give us plus 3a. And then for the second pair, the common factor is going to be negative 2a. So negative 2a, we factor that out, so that we do negative 8xa divided by negative 2a, that is going to give us 4x. And then negative 6a squared divided by negative 2a, that is going to give us plus 3a. And then we notice that we have this 4x plus 3a here, and we also have it here. So let's factor it out. So we factor out 4x plus 3a. So the first term divided by 4x plus 3a, that's going to give us 3x. And then the second term divided by 4x plus 3a, we are going to be left with minus 2a. So this is the simplification of the numerator. Now let's talk about the denominator. So we were given the denominator as, let's write here, denominator, we were given as 9x squared minus 4a squared, right? 9 can be rewritten as 3 squared. Then of course we still have the x squared, minus 4 can be rewritten as 2 squared. We still have the a squared. When I give you 3 squared times x squared, this is the same as just doing 3 times x, getting 3x, and raising that to the power of 2. And we do the same for this other one. 2 squared times a squared is the same as just taking 2 times a to get 2a and raising that to the power of 2. Now at this point, this is a difference of 2 squares. The first square is 3x squared, and the second square is 2a squared. Remember, when I give you anything like k squared minus m squared, this is the same as k minus m times k plus m. So we are going to apply the same principle, and in our case, the k corresponds to 3x and the m corresponds to 2a. So this expression is the same as 3x minus 2a times 3x plus 2a. This is the complete simplification of the denominator. So now when I tell you to take the the numerator, I mean, when I tell you to take the numerator over the denominator, this is going to be the simplification of the numerator we got, which was 4x plus 3a times 3x minus 2a, and this is all over the simplification of the denominator, which we got was 3x minus, not plus, 3x minus 2a times 3x plus 2a. So by 3x minus 2a, 1, by 3x minus 2a, 1. So at the end of the day, our answer becomes 4x plus 3a over 3x plus 2a. This is the answer.